which I started using. It's called Car Hunter. It basically scans different listings for specific models in Bulgaria, where I'm from. So you can avoid going through all the websites and looking at the same model for different listings. And it will show. There, as I said, there's a bit of gamification here. So you are getting levels. For each step, you get some points in experience. You also get badges. There's also a timer, so you can start focusing. It's divided in the best possible ways. So you get 25 minutes, 5 minutes, or 50 minutes, depending on how much time you can spend. Earlier on in the settings, you how much time you have right here. So let's say I have 3 hours. So your total time will be 3 hours. And once you start working on the project, start with the first step, it will basically not really giving you the the code or whatever it is, the solution. It's just giving you the next step. So that's how it keeps you motivated. It doesn't give you the answers ready. You need to reach them. So you start with several questions. If you don't really know what to input here, you can always use the AI, but you need to mark all of these checks completed. And this happens only when you have actually done the work. And if you get stuck or you don't feel good about working on this, we have this AI assistant, our mascot Toro. So let's say I'm feeling sad working on this project. It uses GPT 5.6, as I said, and it gives you an answer. It's not pushing you in any way. It's not aggressive. It doesn't demand you do anything. It just tries to help you, and it's also limited to this specific project. So, for example, if I want to use the API capabilities and book a flight to New York, let's say, it gets to a fallback message where it shows you the next step. So you can't really use it for anything else outside of this project. So that's why you keep focused and get the work done. Of course, it can help you in many ways. Let's say make it smaller, and there it is. You have a very short, easy to achieve step. And yeah, so let's say step one is completed. You move on to the next step. You get experience, you get a badge, and you get to see what's next. And that's why via gamification and small motivational bursts, you can get a project to completion. Thank you for your time.